Hi everyone, welcome to Kapil Stack Byte. So in today's video we will learn how to use if function. So let's start. So first thing, where we can use if function. So wherever you wanted to check the logical test and you want results on the basis of logical test, whether it is true or false, you can apply the if function. So let's see. In- As you can see here, we have a data where we have serial number, name and score, and we wanted to check out of these scores which score is greater than 100. So let's see. Put is equals to and type if and press that. As you can see, our cursor is on if section, if function. Just press tab so that that function will get selected. Now you have to give logical test. So logical test is basically the condition you wanted to give. So in our case I wanted to give c where my c2 is greater than 100 or not. If it is greater than 100, then give me value as 1, else it will come as 0, and close the brackets. Press enter. So what will happen if the value is greater than 100? It became the result came as 1, and wherever it is less than 0, less than 100, the result will come as 0. So this is where you need a numerical value. But if you need to have a text value, one thing you need to make sure that you put that value in quotes. So let's see, in place of 1, if I wanted to have true, so I have to give that in quotes, double quotes, true, then close the quotes. And in false section, in zero section, I want false, so again same, I'll put the quotes, false, and close the quotes, enter. So what will happen, in place of 1, true came, and in place of 0, false will come. Now, this is one way to use if function. Now, in another case, suppose if we wanted to check which score is greater than 30% of the total. So let's see how we can achieve. We'll modify the same function. So in place of 100, we'll change our logical test. We will put C10, which is our total sum, 808, multiply by 0.30%, 0.30. Okay, enter. So now here I just wanted to show you one issue what many people faces while they're applying. If you copy this and paste it to rest of the field, true value will come. See, and why it happened. So as you can see, if you go to your formula bar and see, here C10 is selected, but once you move it your cursor to the next field, what will happen, in place of C10, C11 will get selected. So what's happening, your cell is getting shifted when you're copying your formula to the lower part. So in to avoid that, you can do two things. One is you go to the formula and press F4, go to C10, and here in the center you press F4. So what will happen, your cell is now get freezed by applying dollar. Press enter. So if you copy this formula wherever, your C10 will not change. As you can see, it came as correct values now. And another way to do that, suppose if you don't want to put dollars in your formula, what you just simply need to do, copy your formula like this by pressing F2, enter, and then you have to paste your formula like this one by one, which is a time taking process. So better to use dollar function, which will save your time, and the results will come correctly. That's it for this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.